with a piece of caramel. That's on me I shouldn't have. It's very early in the morning. I mean, early, it's like 9:45. Um, and I want to try it. Actually, I'm hungry. There's no breakfast. There's breakfast. There's just no milk. I'm gonna try the almonds because yesterday I went to the gym for the first time in 3 months. I ran. Wasn't a good idea, but now I need to fix my calories or whatever. So okay, that's cool. I know I forgot to check like if it's white chocolate or whatever the case. I think my voice is still raspy a little bit. It does that sometimes and I hate it. I absolutely do not like having a raspy, deeper voice. Like I'm fine with my usual voice when I'm not tired. Also, maybe I should just hydrate more. I did drink like 1 sip of water. Honestly, I was cautious because at first I was like, I don't want all the almonds to fall out and just fall on me and whatever. But turns out, and then I saw it was in a bag, and I was like, I just don't want the bag to fall on me. The smell is strong. It definitely smells like almonds, but I don't know if it smells like some. It's like almonds and I know this smell. Oh, it's like cookies and cream or something like that. Dark chocolate, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, so it turns out I'm not gonna do this. Just, oof, and that's cold. Okay. My fault. My parents do not believe in headphones and earbuds and just privacy. Alright, so I have one. This is what it looks like. It's like, is that powdered milk? Girl, what? I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna taste it. Um, ooh, I think it smells like pokey. Mm, that's white. That's white chocolate. I'm not a fan of white chocolate, but I am a fan of almonds. That's enough. It's yeah. I tried. I don't like I don't like white chocolate. And it's like I give this I like almonds, like the almond is saving it, but I can't rate it that high because there's almond. They started with the big L, aka white chocolate. So what so I give it a 3. Because I was gonna say 7 because it's almond, and then I was like 5. But honestly, a 3 is a fair rating. I don't like white chocolate. The smell is nice, and there's almond. It's like two. I'm going to diffuse you again. Let's hope my voice doesn't break anymore, because I can't keep doing this. I can't keep readjusting to a sound as if I'm not tired or dehydrated or whatever. So if you like white chocolate, that's definitely for you. Like, I know my friend would love this. I know my siblings would love this. I know my mom would love this. But me and white chocolate don't get along. So that's why I give it a 2. Bro, rating just keeps going down. Like, the smell is the taste is lingering, and also, what smell is this? Well, I give it a 1. I give it a 1. That's my final rating, 1, because I really don't like white chocolate. I don't see the reason for it. It's not chocolate. It's a whole different recipe. Call it something else. I could go on forever when it comes to this debate. Like, I remember this one customer on my job who came to my cash, and I was like, and just like, yeah, nah, white chocolate, I can't do that. Like, why do they call it that? It's a whole different recipe. And I was like, please adopt me. Like, I'm so ready to be adopted by other people all the time. Bref. Point is, I gotta go. This is a 1. That was my... The taste is still on my mouth. I only had 2. The taste is still on my tongue. My lungs hurt, though, from running yesterday. So, thank you. Bye.